Welcome back to A&A's educational series. Today we're discussing how to choose a professional paving contractor. I'm Rachel and I'm here with Nate, A&A's paving consultant.
Nate, scopes are the same,
Phasing is the same. How do you suggest a customer choose a contractor now? Are Google reviews really that important?
So that's another great question. Now you've verified that on two different proposals, you've got the scope that's the same. You've got things like phasing figured out so that you know that this other competitor is doing the same number of phases as we're doing. And you've got two competitive bids now, okay? How do you choose what contractor that you're going to use? And I think that it just comes down to the vetting of the contractor, okay? Check out the Google reviews. Check out the customers that they're doing work for. We're very proud of the 140 plus 5-star Google reviews that we've amassed over the 61 years that we've been doing work. All right, super proud of that. And we're very confident in the work that we've been doing. Not only have we been working with commercial clients for the last 60 years, but we also have worked in condo associations, apartment complexes. Most of the work that we do nowadays is going to be large parking lots. A lot of times working with customers that have multiple different properties because they like using kind of a one-stop shop for all of their needs, and that's exactly what we provide. When you start looking into the amount of Google reviews that our competition will have, it really starts to pale in comparison. And then those contractors that do have some decent reviews, when you read into those reviews, you see a lot of reviews for homeowners and residential driveways and that sort of thing. And when you're looking at a contractor, that's they may have 5 stars, but if it's all in residential driveways, is that really the contractor that you want, right? I'd much rather you move forward with a contractor that not only has the 5-star reputation, but also has that 5-star reputation doing the work that you're going to require. So you've got two competitive bids. How do you choose the contractor? You do a little vetting, right? You make sure that those reviews hold up. You make sure that you get the names and numbers of their customers. We're more than willing to provide those. I had a customer that just told me recently, said, I wish I would have found you guys 3 years ago when we paved our other parking lots, because the other parking lots are just not holding up the way that the ones that we've recently paved are. So yeah, highly recommend checking out the reviews and then also getting any references that you might need.